Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install Douyin, the original Chinese version of TikTok, on your iPhone, even if you are outside of China. If you search Douyin on your local app store, it will not appear. Only TikTok does. That's because Douyin is published exclusively on Mainland China's app store. So to get it, you need to switch your iPhone's app store region to Mainland China. And I will walk you through that step by step. Let's get started. First, open Setting on your iPhone. Then tap the name on the top. On this page, tap Media and Purchases. Then select View Account. Tap Country or Region. Here we search China Mainland. Select it. Here, tap Continue. Agree to the terms and conditions. For the payment method, we can select Now. Here we need to fill out the address, phone number, and name. It doesn't need to be a real one. We can ask ChatGPT to generate a random Chinese address, phone number, and name for us. So here we go to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to generate a random Chinese address, phone number, and name for us. Here we can see ChatGPT already did that for us, so we just copy and paste everything. After filling out everything, we tap down on the top right corner. On this page, we tap down too. Now we have already switched the iPhone's region to Mainland China. So we go to the App Store, search Douyin, and go ahead and download the first one. Here for the new iCloud terms and conditions, we can tap Now. After the app is installed, we can open Douyin. Here select Agree. Ask app not to track. Allow notifications. We can see the app is built by Chinese language. So after the app is installed successfully, we need to change the iPhone's region back to the original country we live in. So we need to go back to the setting. Tap the name on the top. And go to the media and purchases again. Select View Account. Here tap Country or Region. Search for the country we live in. Select Continue here. Agree to the terms and conditions. On this page, just fill out everything: your address, name, phone number. After filling out everything, tap down on the top right corner. On this page, tap down again. On this page, tap the Terms and Conditions. On the bottom right corner, tap Agree. So now we have switched back to the country we live in. And that's it. Now you have got Douyin running on your iPhone outside of China. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.